Hello everyone, first we're gonna add a rubber band by taking some hair, then dividing the hair into two, taking one layer and passing it to the opposite side, and then to the remaining hair we're gonna make a braid and then joining it at the top. Then adding this marble clip and your hairstyle is done. Next we're gonna grab all of the hair, then converting it into a bun by adding this clutcher and it's ready. Next we're going to grab some hair and then start making this braid by taking little amount of hair from both the sides and then passing them to the opposite side and your braid is done. Then adding these star clips to enhance its look. Next we are going to take all of the hair by using our finger. We're going to fold them out into a straight bun and then adding this clip for securing it. Next we're gonna take a low ponytail and then adding a clutcher below, then lifting it up a little bit and then folding it into a simple shape bun and adding this clutcher at the top for securing the hair. Next we're gonna take a high ponytail, then underneath it we're gonna add this black clip to lift this up and then folding it out to make this puff bun and then adding this clip. Next to our ponytail, we're going to add this clip at one side and then folding it, taking the remaining hair and then folding it out into a bun and adding this black clip. Next, we're going to take all of the hair and then folding them out by using this clip and then we're going to secure them and making this hairstyle. Now it is ready and looks so good.